In this guide, I'll show you how to share your games on Steam with your friends and family. So the first thing you need to do is launch up the Steam application and then head over to your profile icon in the top right hand side. Click on account details and from the left come down to family management, and then from here we'll have two options. We can either join a family or create a new family. For this demonstration I'll be creating a new family. So just go ahead and select the family name. I'm going to call this Reese's family and then press create. So once you've created a new family, you'll need to come down to select invite a member. Then you'll need to select search friend list. Now you need to make sure that you have the user you're trying to invite on your friends list, and then just select the friend that you want to add to your library. You can either choose to invite this person as an adult or a child. If you invite as a child, they're going to have certain parental restrictions on the account, so therefore I'm going to press invite as adult. And finally, we can confirm the invitation by pressing invite. And now as you can see, we have this invite pending. Your new family member will now need to accept this invitation by logging into their account. Head over to your profile icon in the top right hand side, select account details, select family management from the left, and inside of join a family, you'll see we have one pending invite. Click on this, and then finally we can just click on accept. Now do make note that once you accept an invite, you can't join a different Steam family for up to a year. So to confirm, we're just going to press accept and then finally press confirm. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you share your games with your friends and family. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.